When I grow up, I want to be Suze Orman. Why? Because she has found an entertaining way to make Americans awaken to their financial problems, take personal responsibility, and provide for the days when they're going to need the money the most and when they're least able to earn. My name is Sid Dinerstein. I just wrote a book called Adults Only, and it does for the public policy and political arena what Suze Orman has done for the financial arena. I have provided specific solutions for issues like higher taxes, outrageous gasoline prices, too many illegals, and our unfunded entitlement programs that promise to financially drown all of our children, especially the ones who haven't been reading Suze Orman.